In this Revizto training session, we're going to be covering the project and edit tools inside the Revizto project. Those tools can be found in the upper left-hand corner of the project. And when we access the project tool, you can see that we can create new projects, open existing projects, import files, view revisions, save the project as, export to IFC, export to a standalone exe, export for Macintosh, or to close the project. When we go through these options here, let's first take a look at import. Under import, this is where we can see all the different file types that we can import from their native format, which includes OBJ for reality capture, IFC, FBX, or all of the above that we can view here. When I look at the revisions portion of the project, I can see all of the revisions inside of the project. What the revision number is, the date of the revision, the time of the revision, and the author of that revision. If I want to choose another revision to open, I can open that revision here. And if I choose to roll the project back to an older revision, I can choose Make Current right here. When we do a Save As, we'll be prompted for a dialog to save the project as a new project. Export to IFC will allow us to export the project to IFC. Export to EXE will allow me to export this to a standalone EXE that can be opened by anybody with or without a license. Export for Mac, which is the same as export to EXE, only for Apple computers, or the ability to close the project. Under the Edit tool, this is where I can see the project properties, such as the name, the thumbnail image for the project, as well as the owner of the project. Under Scenes and Scheduler, this is where I can see all of the different models appended into the project, and I can search for associated files, or even turn on the synchronization scheduler to any of these files. Under Lighting and Materials, this controls the sun position and the materials of objects. Visual Effects will allow us to turn sketch mode on or allow for real-time shadows. And Project Optimization is where we can optimize large projects for better performance on iPads or even computers depending on the size of the project.